Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to create a crate using Blender. So I'm using Blender 4.3.0. You can use whatever Blender version you want because these are not I'm not creating a big model, so these steps will remain the same as long as you are using Blender 4.0 and above. Things will be more or less the same. Also I have enabled screencast keys. You don't have to enable it. It's just that suppose if I press X, here you can see at the left hand side bottom whatever key I have pressed, it's visible to you. So I'll just delete this default cube. Okay, press X and then delete it. Then I will add another cube. Just click on add mesh cube. Then you have to go to edit mode and then you have to press I, then press I again, and then try to move your cursor. So here you can see it is moving it something like this. Okay, so it has created an inset. Then we have to select just go to extrude, long press on it and select extrude along normals. Then select this particular thing and move it down. So it has moved everything down. So I'll just move it little bit up. Yeah, this looks okay to me. Then we have to do a loop cut. So I'll just select loop cut. I will add a loop cut over here. Then I will click on this loop cut and slide and I'll increase the number of cuts to 2. Same thing, I'll do a loop cut over here as well and increase the number of cuts to 2. Once that is done, what you will have to do is we need to get rid of this loop cut. So I'll just click on this particular icon. So I have got rid of my loop cut. Then I will just select this particular thing. What is it? What edge? So I will select this particular line. Then I will click on shift, then select this one. Make sure you do not keep pressing shift. So select this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Then I'll go down again. Do not remove your like finger from shift. You need to press shift so that everything is selected. So I'm pressing shift over here again. Okay, so everything is selected. Now I will just select this one, okay, and here I will select this one and this one. Now I will do command B, which is for bevel, and I'll just pull it a little bit. Okay, once this is done, again I will just open our bevel thing and then increase the segments to 2. Once this is done, again you will just have to select this one. So I'm on the x-axis now. Select this one and this one with the help of shift and mouse and select this one and this one. Now I'm on the x-axis. So what I will have to do is S and X. So I will just scale it little bit inside. So I have scaled it inside. Okay, and here as well. Okay, I'm not sure if it's clearly visible to you or not. Then the same thing, do it for this side as well. So I will just select this one, this one, this one, and this one, this one, this one. So this is for the Z axis. So again shift and select this, then again press S, Z, and I'll move it little bit inside. Okay, once this is done, we'll come to Y. So I'll select this one, and then this one and this one. Then all you have to do is SY, move it little bit inside. Okay, so this is done. Now I will just add some kind of an edge cut. So what I'll do is I'll just go to vertex, select any whatever point you want. I'll just select this one, and the next thing which we will have to do is just bevel it out little bit. I'll select this one. This is more clearer to you. So do command B. Now this is a vertex, so we also need to press V for van and just move it outside. Okay, once that is done, again I'll just decrease the segment to 1, so something like this. Now I need to join these two, so I'll just select this one, I'll select this one and just press J for Joker. So here you can see it has created. Now if I just go to object mode, here you can see it is looking much better. Same thing you can do for any other points as well. I'll just select this one, then do command B, V, move it a little. We don't need it. The segments is already 1, so we don't need to change it. I'll select this one and this one, and just do J. Okay, then again here I will select this one, command B V, I'll move it, then I'll select this one and this one, and then I'll just do J. Okay, so this is done. I'll do the same thing at the bottom as well, command B V, move it, select this to J, then I'll select over here as well, command B V. Okay, I don't know why this is not happening. Select this one, command B V. Okay, I'll select this one as well as this one, I'll join by J. Similarly I'll do it one here, command B V, pull it outside, then I'll select this one and do J. Okay, then I can just go to object mode, and here you can see this is how it looks like. Then I can just go to shading. My PC is little slow, so let's just wait for the cube to appear. So here is our cube, just select it, click on new, and here you can give it some color, brownish color, something like this. So yeah, that's how it will look. And if you want to export it, just go to file, export, and you can just export it using .glb or .gltf. So I will just save it to my desktop. So yeah, that's it. Now you can just use it however you feel like. Thank you for watching. Bye.